sparkles.
It's the play stone. Boris is stealing Bonnie the Bunny's favorite ice cream topping, cookie dough.
Let's go!
Time to dress up. I don't think that'll help.
No.
Not quite.
I know.
Not quite. A chef and a princess.
Time to go. Power of play, take us away.
I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. And we also scream for Bonnie to stop making a huge mess. The Princess of Play is here to help. Bonnie, I don't think those ingredients were supposed to go in there.
What? Oh.
Hey, I'm a sound. Is there a me jar in that sound cabinet?
No. Aha!
The smells cabinet makes me wish I had a nose. Ice cream for that ice cream. Way to go, Diana.
We did it! Now I want ice cream.
But not that ice cream.
Oops. Catch you soon.